WLTLRI, community, conversation, education are combined. I'm your host, Leilani. Today we're going to introduce one of my friends and mentors, retired Chief Justice Frank J. Williams. Welcome, Chief.
It's good to be with you, Leilani. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. We first came to appreciate the man you are when we watched you as the master of ceremonies at an event promoting bullying prevention.
I did. With your mom, Teetsy. We had over 2,300 people there.
Oh, wow, that's really a lot of people.
A lot of people.
We also came to learn that you're one of the most knowledgeable people in the world regarding the life of President Abraham Lincoln. Chief, you are so worldly in your knowledge and actions. Today, let's learn who you are and why you do what you do. You're taking time to talk to me, a 9-year-old kid. Why?
Well, for one thing, you're the daughter of a good friend of mine, Teetsy, and we've done many events together. And secondly, you're very imaginative, beautiful, and creative, and I want to respond to your questions. But I like to think, too, that you're the future of our country, like every other 9-year-old. And anything that I can do to assist you and your colleagues in school or elsewhere is going to go a lot towards your own growth and the future of our country, the contributions that you can make.
Chief, what is your role in the courts and when did you realize there would be a path in your life?
Well, there are two good questions. One is that I am the former Chief Justice of the Rhode Island Supreme Court, as you indicated. Right now I'm supposed to be retired, but I'm failing in retirement because I'm doing mediation, trying to bring people together to resolve their issues and their confrontational approach to life and to each other. I first wanted to become a lawyer when I was 13 years old because, as you pointed out, my hero is Abraham Lincoln, and he was a lawyer.
Did you ever envision that you would have climbed the ladder to become Chief Justice when you first started practicing the law?
No, I was just happy to be a good lawyer, and I came to the law late. I was in college, and then I was almost 5 years in the U.S. Army, and then I went to law school. So I was 30 years old when I got out of law school.
Oh, wow.
So that's a long time from the age of 13 to when I actually began practicing law. So I had no idea that someday I would be either a trial judge, which I was first, and then the Chief Justice.
Oh, wow. Any advice for us kids and viewers here?
Well, I think, Leilani, you have to follow your dream and how you feel inside about yourself and your career path. And I always think that it helps to have a hero, one that's in our history, like Abraham Lincoln for me, and also to have modern-day heroes, contemporary heroes, like your mom and dad and teachers, and other people who've influenced your life and reach out to you and help you in the ladder of life and what Lincoln called the friction and abrasion of living.
I have two things to say right now. One, did you ever know that Abraham Lincoln was always going to be your path in helping you become who you are?
Absolutely.
And the other thing is, my dream is to become is to work at animal rescue place and then save dolphins because they're my favorite animal. What's yours?
What I do, I study and write about Abraham Lincoln and the Civil War, but I also have a passion for cooking and baking. It's very relaxing and does relieve a lot of stress. We also save Dobermans from Doberman Rescue. We're on our 9th Dobie, so we share that love of animals that you have.
Is there anything else you would like to say to me, to my viewers and
I just wish you well, and your viewers well, and I look forward to the next time we're together.
Thank you, Chief Williams, for spending some time with us here today and being on our show.
You're welcome.
So it's time to say, Toodles!
Toodles!
Community Conversation Education.